Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today, I would like to show you the updates for Supra USDT trading pair with my custom set. Let's dive in. I want to check the Supra on the spot, this one, on the max. And guys, I want to show you just a few examples. So you understand it's not a gambling, right? It's just about a plan. It's just about a plan. So you took a risk or not. You take your own decision, buy or sell. And some key moments what we have to pay attention and keep in mind, any single token can end like Om mantra or like this one, Kinto, I guess, Kimno or Kinto, I don't remember, Kinto, yes. Just yesterday here, of course, with indicator side, you could track it, right, and you could sell it, but first of all, we can't track all tokens. The same story can happen with the Supra even at this current prices, just in case. So keep in mind, we can just collapse because the funds can just withdraw all liquidity from the token. After that, the team can go to the Twitter and post some, no, it was a hack. Sometimes it just can be the team behind with the wallets. And of course, I recommend you use the indicator set, right? Because it's give you the more data, so you can more accurate analyze the tokens. But take a look what happened at with that token. So here, someone distribute it because it was a logical distribution. The buy signal was here at let's say $5, and here it was a distribution, sell, and after that just one single candles, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 candles. This token dump from 740 to 53. The same story can be with the Supra even now. So just in case. So be careful, you know, with this type of tokens, and it can happen even now. So just in case. About the Supra, guys, you remember I posted the video here and I marked the zones of accumulation for the Supra. People won't believe it, but we drop even under that zone. So yes, I'm in Supra. You know, I posted the video. I bought around 0.2031. So I'm in profit. The most crazy scenario for the Supra can be if we will test the yearly open. Usually, I explained to you, it can be the 50% of this drop. This top, this bottom, and this around 0.5 level by FIB. And also the yearly open. Why we stop at around 0.2019? Because it was around fundraising round entry. Yes, also a million times explained to you and showed you examples how it looks like. But we can't know which token will drop, which token not. And some tokens which drop to the fundraising rounds prices sometimes never recover back. Because we can't know also in a moment are the market makers still get an interest, still get a task to pump the token or not. Just because the Coinbase venture on the board, it means nothing. Here, it was a private round in 2023, 0.2018 and 3. So we drop it almost to that entry. Got it. So here, IAO round 0.207. We are now at ICO rounds. So some of these guys, I guess, they're already out, but I think we can see some seller pressure again. What is bad with the Supra? Take a look at this bottom now at 0.204, market cap 61, FDV million, FDV 326, and only 15% tokens in circular supply. To all of these moon boys who believe in $1, guys, now at this current price, 15 billion supply. About what 10 cents are you talking about? I just don't understand how in 2025 people don't want educate themselves about the crypto, about the simple numbers. So this is the most positive case scenario. It's a 3 cents. If you believe in new all-time high for a Supra, you can wait that targets. I probably will out and withdraw my initial deposit, you know, at 6 cents, at 0.206. So it will be the 100% for my entry on a spot, and I will out. Just withdraw initial deposit. 50% I will keep it. Here, it was also the not a manipulation. I hate this word. It was a logical entry, and with indicator set, you could track it because on the weekly time frame, by end of June, the whales start accumulate. So we saw the money inflow. And if you catch exact bottom here, together with the whales, you track it with my custom miracle set, bro. Now you now can out with initial deposit. It will be not a mistake. Now on the daily, like you can see, we see the seller pressure. So I will add stop loss to my entry, and track how it goes. I'm in tiny profit now. So money power, now it's money outflow. To buy now or not, it's only up to you, bro. Guys, bro. Here, this was an accumulation by whales on the daily. You could track everything by yourself. Here's a top and distribution. So up to you, accumulate or not. On the weekly, we're still in a crazy, crazy accumulation. So just in case. That's why I'm hold it. I'm hold it for at least the yearly open. This is also in direction with the bottom. So it's good time to buy, technically. Also, some people wrote in the comment like, we drop 30, 40% or 50% down, and people worry about, oh, we are down. Of course we can drop down, but now we recover back and we're in the profit. And imagine people who bought it here just randomly because they click bottoms because the influencers shield you buy the deep. Deep around here, when we join into some zones of accumulation, only here you can start take some actions to buy or not. So that's the point. Take a look. The market's mood. Still euphoria. This is what I don't like. Daily, here was a capitulation, a disbelief, hope. Now it's a trill. So yes, we can go to 6, for example. After that, I will withdraw my initial deposit. Yearly open like a magnet. And it can be the top of the top of this token, guys, just in case. And weekly, yes, still euphoria. It's kind of bad. Guys. Last indicator is trade on. Take profit, I showed you. Or not. Trade on here. Buy, pump. Now no signal to sell yet, but we see some seller pressure. We saw the money outflow. No, I didn't show the take profit. Take a look. The test of the buy line will be just amazing. So my entry again will be just an amazing 0.203, but up to your own risk. Take profit is 6. That's a point why I mark this level like I will withdraw my initial deposit and leave free tokens. Exit line at this current moment on daily, it's 0.2068. I mean 0.2061, right? So not 6 cents. 12-hour time frame, we almost touched the take profit line. It's 0.2045. Exit line 0.2051. That's it. Here, it was the last signal to buy, take profit, recommendation close position. Soon, I guess we will see some sell on the 4 time frame and on the 12 time frame. That's why, like conclusion, guys, I recommend you go and double check the the main data on CryptoRank to understand the realistic targets. Just multiply the supply. Use my free calculator for market capitalization, what I shared the link in Telegram channel, and understand the realistic price targets. Because people just dream about it. This is just a psychological trick. People invest $100, see some, I don't know, like 100,000 tokens and dream about when this token hit $1, I will be so rich. Or some guy put like, I don't know, 5K. Now he got like 1 million tokens, for example. And he dream about, oh, $1, 1 million. So easy. No, guys, there is no easy mode. Just try to finish this cycle in profit, in some profit, not stock any tokens for the next 3 years. So middle term targets and conservative price targets, 3 cents 29, yearly open test. Nice one. When? Nobody knows. Guys, never ask the stupid question, when? Can we hit the 3 cents by end of August? This is an absolutely stupid question. We work with the price action, not with the timing. So accumulate now at 0.204. It's only up to you. It's around IAO round price. So just in case, I believe if we will see the BTC dominance still going down, right? ALS will perform next 2 weeks. After that, correction in August, and all altcoin season, this not a super cycle, but this altcoin season can end by end of November, for example, or in January. If it will be longer, it can be just extended in time till spring 6. Guys, I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you go and check first video about a Supra to understand why here I shared with you the information we're gonna drop to this level. One take. Second take, I recommend you go and check the previous video about a Supra to understand the logic of my entry. And now I explain what I'm doing now with this current position. If we'll drop and this token will be scam, for example, I will be more than okay because I took my own risk and I totally understand it can happen. If you would like to trade with my custom America style, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.